That's the little squirrely that gets up there and falls when he gets caught. I'm trying to stand back enough to watch him and not freak him out. You're okay, baby. It's okay. Watch him. Shh. He's trying to figure out if I'm a danger to him at the moment. I'm not gonna bother him. Look at you, he's so cute. Alright, she is really close. She is the closest to the chute. Sit down. Seeing him. See if he'll do it. He's so freaking adorable. Right here. Look at him. He's gonna go up there. He's going for the bird feeder. I was just stepping up to the door to see how much rain it was, and there he was, sitting on the freaking porch. Coming on. I started recording as soon as oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't think that was a very successful attempt, pal. Oh my goodness, I actually got that on video. Oh my goodness. I actually got it on video. He made an attempt to jump. Do it again, dude. Do it again. That's freaking hilarious. Let's see if he'll do it again. That's hilarious. Oh my goodness. Let's see. He's about to do it. 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 I think he's debating now. There he goes. Oh my god, he actually jumped again. Oh my god, he actually jumped again. I can't help it. Oh, he got up there, he got up there. He finally got up there too. It only took him like 2 jumps, man. Oh my god. Look at him. Isn't he adorable? I was wondering how he got up there. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. Look at him. Clever little fudger, isn't he? Oh my god. Clever little bugger. Look at that clever little boy. Or girl, I don't know, I can't tell. I think he's a boy. No, that's a girl. No, I think she's a pom-pom. She's really hoping for the mascot. I think it's a girl. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I can't tell. Maybe we can trade. 17. Oh, we got the pom-pom. Look at him. Look at this boy. Oh, number 18 is pom-pom. Clever little boy. Clever little fella. Yeah, that's a boy. That's a boy. Look at him. He's like, I got food. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at him. Oh my god, he's so fucking cute. Sorry for the cuss word, but dang.
I don't think she specified. She doesn't care. I just think she wants to, to play and.
Look at how cute he is. You clever little bugger.
That's a tote. I think. One of those like drawstring totes.
Look at him.
It's like a little.
I can't believe how clever this. Oh, he just went splat and run. Oh my god. Look at him. He's in the bush over there.
It's also a drawstring bag. One pink, one black.
I ain't gonna bother you, baby.
It's a mascot. Okay.
I'm just impressed, honey.
Is it for chocolate?
Oh, look, he's gonna come back. I think he's coming back.
Yay! You know what? I'm just gonna buy the rest. That's what I say. I'm just gonna buy
Look how cute he is.
our friends want a little.
Clever little boy. Oh, hi, Ghost.
So, Maria, you got the.
I think I scared him.
Number 11 and.
Oh, he's over there. He's over there.
Oh.
Look at him.
Here, there was only 3 prizes left at the whole lottery. They had everything still. They had a number 1, a number 2, 3. Well, they didn't have the tip.
Hi,
The tip
cutie.
was unfortunately all gone. But, and curry bowl.
Look at that cute little squirrely boy.
The big prizes and
Isn't he adorable?
so now there's only 13 left after we play for our friend Dee Dee and Maria. And if Maria, if you want to trade like your number 3 pouch for a number 18 or number 16, totally up for it. Or I can put these in mystery boxes. Look how cute.
Oh, I got a gnat. Squish.
I don't think
Okay, I had to get rid of the gnat.
so. Number 1.
Look at that. Look at him. He's like so proud, huh? Look, Ghost. You're the little think doodle that's been eating my bird food. Look at him. Look at him. He's just like staring at me like, should I go back? Should I go back? Hi. Let me take a couple steps back and see if he'll do it again. I can't believe he actually jumped like that. That was so adorable. Let's see if he'll do it again. There he goes. There he goes. He's getting ready to do it again. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Let's see. Let's see if he's gonna do it again. Oh my god. Are you gonna jump, little dude? Are you gonna jump? Come on. Come on.
Oh, I just missed it. Ooh, but it's getting pushed. Let's go for this blue macaron, shall we?
Come on, little dude.
Right? Okay. I'm not wrong, right? 'Cause macaroons are those coconut-looking ones, and the
Come on.
macarons are the
Come on.
really soft.
Do it again. You can do it.
cookies, right?
You can do it.
I know it's been bugging me
Look at.
because I got corrected at a bakery. I was like, "Can I have 4 macaroons?" And she said, "Macarons, dear." I'm like, "Well, you are my elder, so and you do work here, so I'm going to listen to you."
Oh, he did it. He did it in the first jump this time.
We got it.
Oh my god, look at him.
And I still have 2 tries.
Look at him.
Right, let's set 'em up.
Oh my god. Look at that cute little dude.
Did scoop some gems for me, so I'm just going to go ahead and dump that.
Look at him.
So pretty.
You clever little Finky.
Part of the keychains.
Oh my god.
We will get Jasmine. I got 1 try.